This is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one it's made in Vietnam for the US market, and I believe it's from some dude who has a pho restaurant in Bellevue. This is Phenomenal beef. It's gluten-free, and it says it won an award. So I am really excited to try this. I'm really hopeful. Last one I tried of theirs wasn't my favorite. I've only had one pho variety, at least an instant. I love it in the restaurant. But I've only had one that I thought was like, I think I've only given one a 5-star, maybe 2. One of them, what was it? I don't know, but one of them was Korean, which is probably like crazy, ridiculous sounding, but honestly, it was really quite. Whoa, what happened? I don't want that. So I call this phone here that I control the music with. I take it with me when I go out walking because I've got a Bluetooth that I bring with me, and I call it my mobile emitter. If you're a Star Trek fan, you'll get that. But I had a Galaxy S7 for ages, and now I have this S9. Definitely an upgrade because they're both my wife's old phones. But yeah, this one has the Bixby button. And did anybody actually use Bixby? Because that button went away. All right. It says 1 minute. I'm gonna push these noodles down a little bit. I'm gonna do that. There we are. They've already been in there for a few seconds. I'm putting this lid on, and it's going. 38 seconds to award-winning noodles. I tend to doubt it. I've never had rice noodle come out good in 1 minute. Period. If it does, I will say I'm wrong, and I'll be happy to, because that would be great. But in 20 seconds, this better be freaking good. So it is Thursday, August 18th, and it was nice and cloudy, and now the sun is coming out. We're in a heat advisory currently. It's supposed to get up in the 90s today. Didn't look like that about 10 minutes ago. Not even. It was really. Would you look at that? Look at those noodles. Look at that. All right. I was wrong. These are definitely done. So that is cool. I've had like rice stick that you gotta soak for like 15-20 minutes before, that just like never seem to get completely hydrated. So that's a plus. I hope it's good because my wife does the gluten-free deal, and if this is something she would like, that would be neat. I do double duty on my reviews. Cheers. I would call that kind of an al dente rice noodle. Not bad, but it definitely has a different texture. I think a little more time wouldn't hurt. Now, what's interesting with this one is it's a beef flavor one, and generally this is made in Vietnam for the US market, I think, or it was made in Thailand. I think it was made in Vietnam. Should have been. But it says it has beef tallow and chicken tallow. And then lower down it says contains fish. So it's like, I don't know what they're doing. Maybe tallow is something, I really don't know off the top of my head exactly what that is. I think it's fat, honestly. Rendered fat? But Wait, isn't that soap? Anyway, yeah, so there is beef and chicken in this, and this is an imported product, so that's interesting. It's got a sweetness. It's not bad. It's honestly not bad for a instant pho. I would say this is definitely in my, if I had a top 10 list of pho, this would probably be either number 2 or number 3. Honestly, this is quite good. So congratulations. I didn't like the chicken one so much. But then again, chicken pho is like, I don't know, that just doesn't appeal to me in general. If I'm gonna have pho, I want the flank, I want it cut thin, I want all the trimmings, cause going out for pho, if you've never gone out and had pho, everybody knows what I'm talking about. If you haven't gone out for pho, you're missing out, because there's some really good pho out there, and it's really good. I bet you this guy's restaurant is top notch. Alright. The reason I use the, if you look at the side, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but when I peeled the label off, it was kind of thin, so for this one, I didn't want to screw around. End up with a accident, I guess you could call it that. I don't know. A faxident. What happens when your fax doesn't go through? Is that a faxident? Mung bean sprout. I had a guy that I had to literally, just because he was such an idiot, kick off of the Ramen Junkies group, because I was like, man, you know, it's cool. Somebody found some noodles at a local, my local store is Safeway, right? That's what they're called. And they never, their mung bean sprout setup is pretty sad, and they'll either have them and they'll be expired or close to expired, or it's just like, it kills me, because I go in, that's like the closest store. I don't drive because I can't see, and the next place that almost every time has like really great mung bean sprouts is about 45 minutes away. So usually what I'll just like go to the one right here, and I'll get mung bean sprouts that might last for 2 days. And I've seen ones that have had the expiration date on them that have been done for like 3 or 4 days. It's like, don't you know what happens to those? Oh, you don't care. That's right. So it just irritates me. Some crushed red pepper. I'm going to forego the sesame seed, put this on the spin cycle, and enjoy that. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah, phenomenal bowl. This one is out of a Zen Pop box. You go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. This is an Ace Cook, and we call this Super Cup, but it's a big freaking bowl. Come on. And this one is a Situchi lemon, special kind of lemon from Japan. Seafood, and it's spelled S-H-I-T-A-T-E. Shitate. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce that. So that'll be on tomorrow's show. And so don't eat any shitate without me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.